Next we are going to do beginner's plank pose. Hold in position 30 seconds. Take position everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ఇంకా కొంచెం బాడీ లిఫ్ట్ చేయండి. 7, yes. విష్ణు గారు 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Then come back to class. Okay. After that, advanced plank position. Take position everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Just relax. Okay. Next, again take position. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Relax. Then come back to Sheshankasan. Okay. Then lock your both legs. Lock your both legs. Now keep your hand shoulder level. Inhale, then exhale. Push up. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Okay, then lock your both hands. Deep inhale. Then lift your upper body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Relax. Okay, then Bhujangasana to Parvatasana 20 count. Stretch your both legs everyone. Mat into on the spread చేయండి మీ యొక్క రెండు కాళ్ళు. కంప్లీట్ గా రెండు పాదాలు మ్యాట్ కి ఆనించి ఉంచాలి. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, what happened? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Next is Jen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Relax. Relax everyone.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.